guys. So basically today, it's a slime video, sort of slime video, but mostly something else. I'm going to be giving shoutouts to people every time I post now. So basically, first I'm giving a shout out to Squishy Cat on YouTube. You should totally go and check her out. I'll put the link to her channel in the description box. Look, it's fine. Down below. And also, my other shout out is from Maddie's _the_girl. Who's on Instagram. So you go and follow her on Instagram. And yeah. After I finish this video, I'm going to look for a Snapchat shout out. If I can find one.